tragic play. Only curtains remain to fall. There's no reason left to stay in this place. We move backwards against the wall. Conversations over, communications dead.